We talk football SA, Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. Sibuka umdlalo omuhle kakhulu laphaya. I-Chiefs la ekade idlala khona ne-TS Galaxy. La esibona kubonakale khona nje ukuthi i-Chiefs uBrandon Peterson ubuyile, oku-goalkeeper obe nama-clean sheet amaningi kodwa ngebhadi yakhe-ke wavele walimala, lokho kumlimazileyo ukuthi-ke gcine walimalaza ngisho ikusasa lakhe leBafana Bafana, ngoba ngangicabanga ukuthi lo mdlalo odlule uzokhethwa kodwa akangakhethwa ngendlela akenza kahle ngayo ngakhona. Bese umfana engimthanda kakhulu uMcCarthy, Aiden McCarthy udlale kahle kakhulu umfana. Ukudlala kaMcCarthy no-Brett Cross ukuthi akufane, badlala kakhulu, abantu babona ukuthi babe ne-development enhle, abantu babona ukuthi bakhojeke kahle bebancane ngoba basic impande zebhola bayakwazi ukuthi kufanele ukuthi benzeni uma ngabe besegroundini, bayakwazi ukuvala ispace, bayakwazi ukuphasa, bayakwazi futhi nokudefenda nokudlala ibhola elilula. Uma ngabe ibhola umuntu kufanele alikhiphele ngaphandle uyalikhipha, lokho kwenza ukuthi bebe abanye abafana abahle kakhulu. uGiven Msimango ubuyile umfana, yebo kwesinye isikhathi uyabona ukuthi akajwayele ukudlala kodwa yena muhle kakhulu, siyabona uzobuyela ezingeni lakhe uGiven Msimango lapha ku-Chiefs. Kanti uma uthi uyabheka laphayana esiswini bekudlala abantu ababili phakathi nendawo okumabuwe edlala noSipesihle Ndlovu, badlale kahle kakhulu. uNdlovu ngingamnika i-man of the match ngendlela ekade edefenda ngayo, nokuqala nje ukuthi ibhola alithathe alimake aliphase eduze ngendlela right, uyagcina seshaya ngisho amaphasi ekade eyingozi. Kanti uMabowe bekuyiyena mdlali we-Chiefs oyingozi esesiswini, ngoba uma ngabe elibamba ibhola eliqala kuye liya phambili bekubonakala ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Nakuba nginganelisekanga kahle indlela abadlali be-Chiefs abamdlalise ngayo umdlalo uqala, nangesombe sesibili futhi anginelisekanga kahle ngoba uNdlovu umdlalo umholi kufanele ukuthi umnike ibhola ekwazi ukuthi edlale ye phambili. uLilepo ubengenawo umdlalo ongathi umdlalo omkhulu kodwa igoli akalishayile libe lihle kakhulu. Abafana bami uMdushabalala useyakhula, useyakwazi ukudlala ibhola elilula, kanjalo noMfundo Vilakazi vele bhayi star, kumlungele nokuthi umdlale ngawuqala kwesinye isikhathi. uDuba uyakhula umfana, uyadlala, udlala kahle, uyingozi futhi uma ungabheka nje negoli akalishaya emidlalweni odlule, namhlanje ukumbona uma ngabe ekhuphuke yaphambili ukuthi lo mfana lona uzoba ingozi. uSilva ushaya igoli elilula. i-Chiefs idlale kahle kakhulu. i-TS Galaxy kusafanele ukuthi isebenze ngoba emidlalweni ewu5 edlule, out of 5 last games they didn't win any game, so it means they've got a problem. And if you can check that they are past 3 games they've conceded 10 goals. They conceded 6 against Pirates. I think it was against Kukuni as well, where they conceded 2 goals, and then today they conceded 2 goals as well. It means they have a lot of work to do. I don't know what is their problem, I don't know what is going on inside there, but I felt as well that today Mpom Velase should have started the game, or should have been introduced earlier in the center of the park. I like him more when he plays there, especially when the team is not doing well, because he can control and he can also pass on the right. Because if you can check Mahlambi, he didn't get a lot of balls, but he was always on position. Yes, the left center back Aiden McCarthy and the left back Bradley Cross, they marked him very well. They marked him, but he didn't get a lot of balls. I felt like the central midfield was depriving him of balls. They were not passing him enough, which denied him a chance to be dangerous to Kaizer Chiefs. Other than that, I think Kaizer Chiefs is doing well. They are fighting for position 3, but if Pirates lose some games, they can even go to position 2, because now they've gained confidence, they've gained some momentum, because now they've won 4 games in a row, which is something that they haven't done in a long time. So I think Kaizer Chiefs is there. Kaizer Chiefs is winning now. Kaizer Chiefs will do something. They can even get to position 2, because Mamelodi Sundowns want to move there. It's only a miracle that though they may still drop points, Mamelodi Sundowns can still drop points. But it looks impossible if you check how they play. It looks impossible that they may lose. They may lose any game the way they are playing. So, according to me, Sundowns will win the league, and then number two is up for grabs. It's either Pirates or Kaiser Chiefs. Other than that, Chiefs is improving. They are doing very well for themselves. The players, I think they understand each other. One of the supporters told me that the strike worked. I'm not sure about that. One of the told me the strike worked. I was part of the strike, so I'm not sure about that. And I think the co-coaches will go to next season. I can't say they are doing so well. Yes, the team has done well for the previous few games, but I think the co-coaches will continue. My name is Mnigeni Mtungwa. This is We Talk Football SA. Thank you.